Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. In this lesson, we're looking at time. So we're looking at the time interval between two given time. So now the first one, let's see. What is the time interval between 11:45 a.m. to 2:43 p.m.? So we have 11:45 a.m. So we need a time interval between this and 2:43 p.m. If it happens like this, just add 12 hours to this. So that is 12:00. So this one will become 14:43 in a very simple way. So we can now subtract 11:45 from 14:43. So we take 14:43 minus 11:45. And if it happens like this one is in hours. And this one is in minutes. Okay, let me write HR and MIN. So we are taking 45 hours from 43 hours, which is not possible. So we take 1 hour from here. If we take 1 hour from here, this will remain 13 hours. And we subtract 11 hours from it. Then here, the 1 hour that is taken from here, we add it to 43. But 1 hour going to the minutes is 60 minutes because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So if I send 1 hour here, it means I'm going to add 60 to this. So if I add 60 to this, I'll have 103. Then there is 45. So let's do the subtraction in a very simple way. Okay. So if I subtract 45 from 103, I'll get 58. And if I subtract 11 hours from 30 hours, I'll get 2 hours. So this is simply 2 hours, 58 minutes. So the time interval between 11:45 a.m. to 2:43 p.m. is 2 hours, 58 minutes. Now, if I want all of these to be in minutes, then I have to change the hours to minutes. And we know that each hour is 60 minutes. So if I have two of them, then I have 60 plus 60, that is 128. So, 120. So 2 hours, 58 minutes is the same as 120 minutes plus 58 minutes. And that will give us 178 minutes. This is 2 hours. 1 hour is 60. So 60 twice gives 120 minutes plus 58 minutes. That gives us 178 minutes. What about if I want my answer to be in hours? If I want my answer to be in hours, this is very simple. I'll just do this. I will change the 58 to hours. An hour is 60 minutes. So I have reached 58. I have not reached the 60. So it means that I've reached 58 out of the 60 in a very simple way. Remember, if I reach 60, 60 divided by 60 is 1 hour. But I have reached 58. So 58 divided by 60. In a nutshell, if you want to divide minutes, if you want to change minutes to hours, just divide your minute by 60. So I'll divide my minute by 60, which will give me 29 out of 30. 2 divides here, 29, 2 divides here, 30. Or this is simply 0.96777, 96666, so 967 or 0.97. Let me use the calculator to check if I've guessed it right. Yes. So 0.97. Now, 58 minutes is the same as 0.97. So 2 hours, 58 minutes is equal to 2 plus 0.97, which is the same as 2.097 hours. If you want to write your answer in hours without the decimal, then you use 2 hours. This gives 29 divided by 30. So you can do it like this one. 2 whole number, 29 out of 30 in hours. So this gives us the time difference between 11:45 a.m. to 2:43 p.m. Now, what about this? If I start a job at 10:15, okay, 11:15 a.m. and then end at let's say 1:35 p.m. Then what is the time interval? Yes. What is the time interval? I don't want to ask in hours or in minutes. We just need a time interval. So let's see. Wow. I thought my microphone is off. Okay. So here we add 12 hours to this. This will give us 13:35. Then we subtract 11 from that. 11:15. This one you can subtract 15 from 35 to get 20. And this will give us 2. So you have 2 hours, 20 minutes. So 2 hours, 20 minutes. If you want to change this one to hours, you write 2 hours, 20 divided by 60 plus 20 divided by 60, which will give us 2 whole number, 1 out of 3. And 1 out of 3 is 0.33333. So it is 2.03 in hours. But if you want to change it to minutes, 2 hours is 120 minutes plus 20, that will give us 140 minutes. I hope you enjoy your lesson. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.